Markets have dropped from $108,000 all-time high to $99,000 for one BTC. And if you look at the price chart right here, there is a bearish divergence on the chart, which means market have capacity of coming all the way to the downside. And also on ETH, the same bearish divergence. Market also have capacity of dropping all the way to the downside. Yesterday, Fed cut interest rates by 25 basic points. What do this mean to the market? Where is this market going to drop into? All of this in this video. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you come to BTC USDT 1-day chart, it discovered that there is a bearish divergence on this very chart right now. Look at it. Market move from here, create a new high, create another new high, the all-time high right here of $108,000. If you look at the indicator, it discovered that market creates a high right here with the MACD histogram at this very point. And if you look at this very point, we have a very little MACD histogram formation on the positive side at this very point as well. And from this very analysis, we can say that market is having a bearish divergence already. What we need to do right now is to ensure that there is a confirmation of this very divergence, that this bearish divergence is going to really come back all the way to the downside. Number one confirmation is that we need to see the formation on the negative side of the MACD, which we are seeing right now at this very point. There is a negative move. MACD histogram have started formation on the negative side of the MACD, which is number one confirmation. The second confirmation is a breakout on the support line. Look at this very point. I want to see a breakout of this very level of important trend line, which is a support trend line right at this very point. Once we can see this breakout right here, then it means that market have capability of coming all the way back to the downside, and that is what I am looking at right now. So when the market breaks out, I can be very sure that this market is going to come back all the way to the downside, and this is what I am personally looking at right now. So the only confirmation that is left for me to be certain about the market coming back down is for this breakout to happen with a significant bearish candle. And once that happens, expect the market to come into this very price level right here. Very important. That is the $91,000. And this very price level right here, which is the main important support, this very area of $86,000. This is what I am looking at right now. For market to come back down after a breakout of the level of support right here into this very area before continuation all the way to the downside. Now, one thing very important is this. This is not time to short the market on futures. It is time to buy BTC more if you are longing a BTC position. And you don't buy right now. You wait for the market to come back down a little bit, and then you buy at a better price. From what I am seeing on the chart, if this play out, if the market breaks out here, market is going to come back down into this very level before the next continuation in the market. Remember, we are still in an uptrend, and in the bull market, don't expect aggressive drop from the bears all the way to the downside. Market is going to drop a little bit and then move again to the next level, creating new all-time highs. And this is what you need to keep your eye on this very chart. One thing that is also important on this chart is that this very divergence have occurred before in October. Look at it right at this very point. We have a divergence right at this very area. Okay, market come back down. There's a slope downward. And if you look at the price action at this very point, it is called that market is moving upward, which means there is a bearish divergence. Then what happened at that time? Market come back to the previous support, this very support right here, before it begin to move up again, which means market also have capability of coming back into this very level of support again this time around before the next move to the upside. And this is what you must have to pay attention to right now if you trade BTC USD 1-day chart. ETH USDT 1-day chart, look at it, divergence as well on the price action. Look at market moving upward, create this high, create a new high at this very point. And if you look at the indicator, which is the MACD indicator, we see market create a high at this very area right at this point, and then come back down, create a small bearish bar, okay, to the downside, to the negative side of the MACD, and then begin to form on the positive side again, which means market creates a divergence at this very point. So market creates a high right here, but creates a low on the MACD indicator. Create a high right here, but create a low on the price action. This is a clear bearish divergence, which mean market have capability of coming back to the downside, and that is what I'm looking at right now. Number one confirmation is that we should see the MACD histogram start formation on the negative side of the MACD, which we are seeing right now, okay, with increased momentum. And if you look at this very price action, I am also looking at a breakout of this very level of important support, which have happened already. This breakout is very important on the chart, okay? So anywhere you take this very support from, if you take it from here, market has already broken out. If you take this support right at this point, market has already broken out. So from this very area, market breaks out, which is a clear confirmation that this chart is going to come back all the way to the downside on ETH/USDT 1-day chart, and this is what you must have to keep your eye on right now. So expect market to come back down. To which price level am I expecting? I'm expecting this market come back down into this level of important support at this very area, okay? So this support is an important support you must have to keep your eye on. That is the 3,326 level, and this very level as well of important support also is also very, very important. This is the $3,000. So between the $3,327,000 and the $3,000 level on ETH, this is the price level you must have to keep your eye on, because market have that capability of moving all the way to the downside into this zone before it will begin to move all the way to the upside. Nevertheless, if you look at the MACD signal line and the MACD line right here, there is a dilation apart already, which means market is going to come back down. That capability is there, and that is what I am expecting on this very price chart. XRP USDT, we've seen XRP move all the way to the upside, doing about 500% plus, and market need to retrace for the next move to the upside on XRP, and that is what you must have to keep your eye on as well on this very price chart. Look at it here. Market move from here all the way to the upside, come back down, retracement, move, could not create a new high, come back down, create a new low, go to the previous low, market move upward, could not create a new close, which is not higher than the previous one. Market is coming back down again. What do you think? Market is going to come back down, in my opinion. Market should come back down as well. Look at this very point. Market creates a low right here, okay? So this very low at this very point, and then come back down, create a new low right here, which is a spike, and then market have capability of coming back down as well into this very point, creating another new low. And this is what I am personally expecting on this very price chart. So pay attention to this right now. Is very, very important. So I'm expecting the price to drop into this very level of important resistance right here on this very price chart. That is the 1.48. And this very level of 1.78. This is the point I am expecting the market to drop into on XRP. So if you trade XRP, this very retracement is very important, so that it will give the market more momentum to move for the next impulsive move. So look at the market moving from where it is right now all the way to the downside, and market is going to move upward. This is not a time to short the market. Remember, it is a time to allow the market to drop back down, and then you buy more at a better price. Doge USDT 1-day chart. Look at it. Market pump all the way to the upside. Significant pump. Come back down. Little retracement. Dull momentum. No strength. Move back down. Little retracement. Dull momentum. No strength. Market come back down again, and then market is coming back down right now. What do you think is going to happen on this very price chart? What I am looking at is, number one, markets have to break this very level of support, which we've seen happen already on this very price chart. Market have created a new close that is lower compared to the previous close at this very point, and market have to have a little retracement, very little retracement, and then begin to come back down on Dogecoin. And I am expecting market to come back into this very price level right here, which is very, very important level on the chart. That is the 0.263. and market should come back down as well into this very spike right here, which is very important, of 0.222. So this very zone is where you should expect the market to come back down into. Market should come back into this area and moving upward. Remember, we are already in the bull market, so aggressive retracement is not expected on the chart. Market should retrace significantly, about 30-40%, before the next move all the way to the upside on Bitcoin, ETH, Doge, and XRP. This is very important. Keep your eye on all of this price action. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. If you want to watch my video on divergence trading strategy, check this video right here. It's going to help you. And also, if you want to learn how to trade crypto from beginner to advanced, check this video right here. It's going to help you as well. Thanks for supporting this channel.